Okay, children, in our last class, since our last classes, we are discussing about the active to passive voice, and in the last classes, in the last videos, we discussed about the how to convert active voice into passive voice in the terms of tenses like present tense, past tense, and future tense. How you have to change into passive voice. Then we discussed about this one, let, use of let, when you have to use let. And now we will discuss about what, when you have to, when you are using, there is these words in the sentence, how you have to change into active to passive voice. What, when, who, why, how. See, if the question begins with WH or how form. So, WH and how form means usually these are questions. What, when, how, etc. So, when the question, when the sentence is began with what, when, who, why, how. So, how to change into passive voice? When such situation comes, how to change into passive voice? See here, the passive voice must begin with the same. Only who gets replaced by whom. Now, if the sentence begins with what, when, who, why, and how. So, the passive voice should also begin with what, when, who, why, and how. Only who, WHO. If this sentence begins with the WHO, then it will be replaced by whom. By whom. Examples they are given. Why did you break the box? Why did you break the box? Why was the box broken by you? Now, why remains in the same place, but you came in the end, that is the subject. Break is the verb and box is the object. So, why was the box broken by you? In the last class, in the last video, I have told you when there is did, it has to be replaced by was. So, there should not be two past tense in the single sentence. Next. Who broke the window? Who broke the window? We have seen here who, it has to be replaced by whom. Who broke the window? By whom was the window broken? By whom was the window broken? So, who was replaced by whom? And then was. The window. Window is a object. This is a verb. This is actually subject. By whom? Subject. Then the verb form. Then the object. By whom was the window broken? But this is actually a passive voice. Cases where by is not caused. Cases where by is not used. Now, use of by sometimes is replaced by with. So, in the place of by we use with. When we have to use with in the place of by, see, it is said here, to talk about an instrument used by the agent or subject. So, to talk about an instrument, so for example, a pen or a stick or a stone, such type of instruments. So, somebody hit the dog with a stick. Active voice, somebody hit the dog with a stick. This is a instrument here. Somebody hit, this is a verb here. And somebody is a subject. Dog is a object. The dog was hit by with a stick. With a stick will remain there with a stick. The dog was hit by with a stick. So, we have to convert this like this. So I will give you some more examples as I have told you in the last video. Let's see some more examples. See. By whom was Spanish taught you? This is in the passive voice. By whom was Spanish taught you? Now, how you will change this? By whom were you taught? Whom were you taught Spanish? So, this is first is itself. When you are reading this type of examples, you may get confused that this is a passive voice actually, but it is not a passive voice. It is a active voice, and we have to convert into passive voice. By whom, where, was becomes where, you is subject here. Taught Spanish. Spanish is a object. Taught Spanish. By whom were you taught Spanish? Now, next. A prize will be given to you by the officer. See, by is here. A prize will be given to you by the officer. You will be given a prize by the officer. So, this both sentence looks as if it is a passive voice, but it is not so. Okay. By whom, a prize will be given to you by the officer. You will be given a prize by the officer. The hunter shot the tiger. The hunter shot the tiger. The tiger was shot by the hunter. The man opened the door. The door was opened by the man. These are simple active voice which are converted into passive voice. Someone has stole my book. My book has been stolen by someone. So, very simple type of active to passive voice. I will give you the notes of these examples. So, we'll finish this part now. Now, move into next part where you will be taught of where you should not use by. Okay, then take the namaste.